Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Olive Estate, and today I'm here in Santa Cruz West presenting a large, very large, approximately 831 carpet 2 BHK. So this building is almost nearing possession. In about a month or so we should be having the OC. So I'm right now going to show you the apartment, the actual apartment. Let me give you a little gist of the floor. So there are 4 apartments per floor, 2 3 BHKs and 2 2 BHKs. I'm going to be showing you a 2 BHK now, and here are the 2 lifts. It's about 8-story building. This is your foyer for the 2 BHK. And here is your 2 BHK living room. That's a very huge living room. And the best part is what you oversee from the living room is the service road that leads you to the entry in the building. So this is your living area. Here you can have your TV unit, large size TV unit. This side your sofa. And for your dining, we have a separate area altogether. It's an L-shaped living room, so we've got a dining area separated out. On the right hand side here, we've got the kitchen. Just look at the size of the kitchen. There are 2 parallel platforms running, and the hugeness of the kitchen is really good. You have a place for washing machine, refrigerator, everything, and the setup is also totally modular. You can place your setup in here. You have a window for ventilation too. You can place your refrigerator here. All of these are already done. The modular setup is already done. There's ample of storage in place. As you can see, the developer has really worked hard on providing the finishes. So you can see there are tiles right up to the ceiling. This is the actual flat that I'm showing you. This is what you're going to get. Look at the quality the developer has used. Very good quality. Moving inside, on the right hand side, we've got a common bedroom. So this is a common bedroom, also facing the road. And that's the service road. So the best part is that you're not going to get a lot of noise of the main road, etc., because this is the service road. Moving on. So on your left hand side over here, you have the common washroom. Right opposite to your common bedroom, you have your common washroom. The fittings and fixtures you can already see. Very nicely done up. And then here you have the master bedroom entry. You are entering into the master bedroom here. Look at the vastness. After placing a king size bed and a proper wardrobe, you will have a lot of place to walk around. Still a lot of place to walk around. Best part is the master bedroom window also faces the road, the service road. So you have nothing coming in front of you for a very long time. And you have a washroom that is attached to this master bedroom. The fixtures are of very good quality. So this is all about a 2 BHK, 831 carpet, very good flat, large flat, very big flat. Usually you do not get such carpet areas for a 2 BHK. So in case if you're interested in this apartment and if you want to buy this, which is almost nearing possession, you can get in touch with me on Olive Estate at the number given on at the end of the screen. Of course, you can WhatsApp me and get connected to me directly, and I should be able to close a very good deal for you. Thank you very much for watching Olive Estate. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.